Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Sai Khandekar and along with some of India's most loved chefs, we're bringing you 200 tiffin recipes for 200 school days. Today I'm going to show you a very traditional recipe called the Khantoli. This is a recipe that's very close to my heart because my grandmother used to make it for me for my tiffin. Today I'm going to do a spin on it and show you how to make mango Khantoli. तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एम्प्टी टिफिन। This is a sweet treat, so it can be a great occasional indulgence for your child's tiffin. I'm going to start by heating a pan and I'm going to put about 1.5 tablespoons of ghee in this. And into this I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of idli Rawa. What we're going to do now is we're just going to very lightly roast this, just until you get the fragrance of it. So now my Rawa is lightly toasted. It hasn't changed much color, but I can smell that beautiful nutty aroma. To this now I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water, which I've already got heating up here. Give it a very quick mix just to make sure there are no lumps. And to this, as a sweetener, I'm going to add dry dates powder or kharik powder. And along with that, I'm going to add Kissan Mango Jam, and this is going to bring a really nice true fruit flavor to the dish. So about 1.5 tablespoons of that going in. Mix it up really nicely. Now the jam is almost mixed through. In this, I'm going to add some fresh coconut, nicely grated. Reserve a little for the decoration and a little elaichi powder. Mix all of this in as well. I'm now going to put this in a tray. I have a baking dish here. I'm going to grease it with just a little bit of ghee. Now it's time to add our mixture into the tray. Now you can use a spatula, or if you're really brave you can use your hands and just pat it into a little cake. Now on top of this I'm going to add some more fresh coconut. And some lovely green pistachio flakes just for a contrast. You want to make sure you push these in as well so they don't fall off when you're packing the tiffin. And once that is done, we're going to leave it to rest for about 5 minutes and then we'll be ready to pack the tiffin. The Khantoli has been setting for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to now cut it into squares. And now we very carefully lift the squares away. And they're now ready to go in the tiffin. I'm going to add about 3 or 4 squares per child in the box, and along with this some nice savoury khakras to change the taste, and sweet and sour grapes just for freshness. And that's it, our recipe is done in less than 15 minutes. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Like, comment and share this video with your friends. I'm going to be back tomorrow with another fun recipe to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.